Good afternoon, students. Again and again, I am J.K. Kumbar, maths teacher, A. Bantiya, Madhyamik Vidyalaya, New Panvel, Raigad. In previous period, we have seen practice set 2.5, question number 1, 2 and 3. Now we will see next question, that is question number 4. Form the quadratic equation. Write down the question. Form the quadratic equation. If roots are given, मैं बोला था ना आपको आंसर दिए और क्वेश्चन बनाने का है. Form the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation here we have to form if roots are given. Means answer is given and find the quadratic equation. Very easy. You know the standard form of quadratic equation when the roots are given. Here roots are given here 0 and 4. Let alpha and beta. Solution. Let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Form the quadratic equation if roots are given. 0 and 4 are the roots of any quadratic equation which we have to find here. Let here alpha is first root and beta is second root. Not be beta. And this is alpha. Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Can you tell me if alpha and beta is known, then how I can find the quadratic equation? Yes, very good. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. We have seen this in previous period. If alpha and beta is known, then the required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Means from these given roots, we have to find first alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now, alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. And alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 4 is equal to 0. Means any number into 0 is 0, and therefore here then the required quadratic equation, you know this, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now to put the values alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, this is required equation. X square minus alpha plus beta is 4. X plus alpha into beta is 0 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x plus 0 is equal to 0, or x square minus 4x is equal to 0 is the required equation from these roots 0 and 4. Okay, roots are given. Let this will be alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. This is the required equation. Put the value here, and this is the required quadratic equation if these roots are given. Now we will see second. Next example, same type. Third one, second, solve yourself. Half and minus half. Solution. Let alpha is equal to half and beta is equal to minus half. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to half minus half is equal to 0. Alpha into beta is equal to half into minus half is equal to minus 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha into beta is equal to minus 4. The required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Put this value there. X square minus 0x plus in bracket minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. X square 0 into x is 0. No need to write here. Plus into minus is minus. X square minus 1 by 4 is required quadratic equation. If you multiply both sides by 4, then that answer will be correct. And if we keep this equation as it is, x square minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0, is also correct, no problem. Then sixth question. Then next question from same practice set. Question number 5. Sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find k. If equation is x square minus 4kx, x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now see what is given here. Sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. This is most important condition. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here roots are not given, means let alpha and beta are the roots. Solution. Okay, here alpha plus beta is equal to 2 into alpha into beta is given condition in this example. But we know the relation between roots and coefficients. What is the relation? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. This is the relation between roots and coefficients. From this equation, or before that, we want to write the values of a, b, c. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k, and c is equal to, this is value of c, k plus 3. We know the relation. We know the relation between roots and coefficients. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. These relations are known to you. Then put the values. Is equal to minus b. Here minus 4k, minus in bracket minus 4k divided by 1, and here alpha into beta is equal to k plus 3 divided by 1, means alpha plus beta is equal to 4k, and alpha into beta is equal to k plus 3. Now we know from this calculation alpha plus beta is equal to 4k and alpha into beta is equal to k plus 3. If we put this value in equation number 1, put in equation 1, we get, this is first equation, alpha plus beta is equal to 2 into alpha beta. Here alpha plus beta is 4k. 2 into alpha into beta is k plus 3. 4k is equal to 2k plus 2 3s are 6. Now see here. Take 2k on this side. 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. 4k minus 2k, 2k is equal to 6. K is equal to 6 upon 2 and k is equal to 3 is the required value of k. 2 3s are 6. This one is value of k from this example. Now question number 6. Or next question from same practice set. Alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find alpha square plus beta square. Alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find alpha square plus beta square. Again, comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. We have to find alpha square plus beta square. We know the relation between alpha, roots of quadratic equation and coefficients, but we know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus in bracket minus 2, a is 1, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 2, and alpha into beta is C upon A is minus 7 upon 1, that is alpha into beta is minus 7. But we know expansion formula. Which one? Alpha plus beta bracket square, just like A plus B bracket square, just like X plus Y bracket square. This expansion formula is we have seen in 8th standard and 6th standard also. Alpha square plus 2 alpha into beta plus alpha into beta. Put the values. Alpha plus beta is 2 square. Right here this, alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square here. Here beta square plus 2 into alpha beta. Alpha into beta is minus 7. Square of 2 is 4 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. Take minus 14 on that side, this side. 4 plus 14 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. By changing the place only. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. This is the required answer. Again, second one is here. Find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. See in your textbook. And then this example, second one, that is find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Try to solve yourself with the help of expansion formula of A cube plus B cube. Now one more example, one more question from the same practice set, that is question number 7. There are also 2 examples in next question, one for yourself and one for me. Now this is second last question, that is question number 7. Roots of following quadratic equations. Roots of following quadratic equation. Roots of following quadratic equations are real and equal. Very important condition is given here. Are real and equal. Then find K. Here this condition is very important. First example, 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Here the roots of these equations are real and equal is already given, and here we have to find the value of k. We know how to find the value of delta or discriminant or b square minus 4ac, means comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 12. Now delta means value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is k, that is k square minus 4 into a is 3 and value of c is 12. Here delta is equal to k square minus 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 12, 12s are 144. 12 12s are 144 means square of 12. But here this condition is given. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0 is given, and therefore delta is equal to here value of delta is k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Delta is equal to k square minus 144, but here roots are real and unequal is already given condition here. That means delta is equal to 0 is given. This condition means delta is equal to 0. Value of delta is k square minus 144 is equal to 0 is as it is. Take minus 144 on that side, it becomes plus 144. Minus becomes plus 144. By taking square root of both sides, k is equal to plus or minus 12. Means there are two values of k. K is equal to plus 12 and k is equal to minus 12 are the values of k if the condition is given. There is only one example is remain here. You try to solve at home, or remaining examples from practice set 2.5. So many examples are seen here. Remaining a few examples from practice set 2.5. Try to solve at your home. If any problem, my WhatsApp number, my mobile number is given to you in previous and previous period. And therefore, if any problem in this example or practice set 2.5 or quadratic equation, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.